Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is a business card that I've already created for you, not myself. This is for Doris, who created this. And what she did is that she copied from her previous assignment, which was a letterhead. She had to copy the first line here, graphic line, and she also copied the second graphic line. And then she copied her word art, and note that we've taken all the lines off. And then this was a text box here, this was a graphic, and this was a text box. So when we want to use this, we want to use all these parts and we want to put them into a quick part so that we can make a whole sheet of business cards. So right now we're going to go to Drawing Tools, we're going to go to Group, and we've got the whole items, or all 6 items, are now grouped as one object. So we can now put this into a quick part. So to do that, we need to go to the Insert tab. So we're going to go to the Insert tab, and now we're going to come across until we find the Quick Parts button. All right, so I want to go here, my Format tab. All right, I'm on my Insert tab, it's white, and I want to go to the Quick Parts button here, and I want to say Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. All right, and now it says Create New Building Blocks. What do I want to call this object? Okay, I want you to use your initials, so I'm going to use mine, LM, and then I want to call it Worldwide, and I'm going to leave it in all lowercase just so that it's easier for you to remember. Okay, so I've got my initials, Worldwide. I want to save it in the Quick Parts Gallery, that's right. The category, we could choose categories, but we'll leave it at General for this level, that's fine. Leave it as Building Blocks, and Insert Content Only, that's what we want. And say OK. Alright, so that's good. We have done that piece now. So let's go Control S to save. And now I need to create a new document. So I want to go to File, New, Blank Document. Alright, so there's my new document. I want to put on my no spacing. And I want to click on the Mailings tab. I want to go to Labels. And don't freeze here. Alright, that's good. And I want to go to Options. Alright. Now, make sure your label vendor is Avery US letter. Okay. And then go down until you find the business cards 8371. So I think I got to go quite a bit further here. 8371. I'm getting closer. Okay. 8371 business cards. Make sure it says the height is 2 inches, the width is 3.5, and the page size is 8.5 by 11. All right, so that's the label we want, so say OK. And now we want to make sure that it says a full page of the same label. So make sure that's checked, and it should be checked. And now here what we want to do, we make sure there's no text in this address box at all. Okay, we don't want any text in there. All right, so now you're going to type in the name of your quick part. And the name of my quick part is LM and then Worldwide. Okay, so LM Worldwide, that's exactly as I keyed it in when I saved it there. All right, and now press function key F3 and nothing will appear to happen except that your text disappeared. All right, and that's okay. Don't worry about that. There's no problem there. And now go down and choose New Document. And there you have all of your business cards just like that. And that's how easy it was. So we saved it as a quick part and then we used it. Now, if I go to a new document, go Control N for New, and if I go to Insert and I go to Quick Parts, your quick part is there. Okay, it's always in memory in that document so that if I clicked on it, it would automatically go in. But remember, it goes in as a grouped object. But if you need to use it somewhere else, you've got it there. All right, so that was very easy. That's how you do business cards using your QuickPart gallery. We'll stop there.